Hello and welcome back for today's puzzle. Again, if you'd like to solve along with me, there's a link down in the description, or you can find the book on Amazon. I do make a small commission if you make any purchase. Alright, so today we're doing puzzle 102. Let's start with this row here. We're missing 3, 8, and 9. We've got a 3 and an 8 here. So this is our 9. We've got an 8 here. So 3 and 8. If we look at this box, looks like we're missing 1, 2, and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 1, 2, 2 here, so 1, 7, and a 2 and a 7 there. So that means this is our 1, 7, and 2. Where do we want to look at next? Let's do this column here. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing 5, 6, and 8. We've got an 8 here. So 5, 6, and 8 here. So 5, 6. That means the only place our 8 can be is here. Let's look at this row. We've got 1, 2, 3. We're missing 4, 5, and 6. We've got the 4 here. So 5, 6. No help here. 4, 5, 6. Here we've got a 5. So 4, 6. Work on this box here. We're missing 1, 5, 6, and 8. We've got a 5 here and a 6 here. So 1, 8. Same here. 1, 8. We've got an 8 here. So 1, 5, 6. We look at this box, we're missing 3, 6, 8, and 9. We've got an 8 and 9 and a 3 here. So this is our 6, and that 8 and 9 means this is our 3. Here we've got an 8, so this is our 9 and 8. We look at this row now. We've got 1, 2, 3. We're missing 4 and 7. We've got a 7 here. So 4, 7. At this box then, we're missing a 1, 5, and 9. We've got a 1 and 9 here. So 5. 1 here. So 9 and 1. For this column then, we're still missing a 4 and a 6. For this column, we've got 1, 2, we're missing 3 and 6. We don't have any help, so 3, 6, 3, 6. For this column, we've got 1, 2, we're missing 3, 4, 5, and 8. We've got a 5 here. So 3, 4, 8. And again that 5, but now we've got a 4. So 3, 8. Down here we've got the 8, and there's a 3. So 4, 5. And here again we've got the 8. So 3, 4, 5. We look at this column, we're missing 2, 3, 5, and 6. We've got a 5 here. So 2, 3, 6. We've got a 2 here. So 3, 5, 6. Here we've got the 3. So 2, 5, 6. And here we've also got a 2 with that 3. So 5, 6. If we look at this column here, we're missing 1, 2, 4, and 7. We've got 1, 2, and 7 here, so this is our 4, and that 1 and 7 means this is our 2. We've got a 7 here, so 1, 7. That 1 means this is our 8 and 1. And then we can get rid of this 1 here, and this 8 here. So then if we look, this is the only place our 8 can be in that column. All right, if we look at this column here, we've got 1, 2, 3. We're missing 4, 5, 6, and 9. We've got the 4 here. So 5, 6, 9. We've got a 4 and a 9 here. So 5, 6. A 5 and a 9 here. So 4, 6. So it looks like this is the only place our 9 can be for that column. If we look at this column, we've got 1, 2, 3. We're missing 4 and 9. We've got a 9 here. So 4, 9. That 4 means this is our 5. And we can get rid of this 5, this 5. Oh, and we've got that 4 there, so that makes this our 3, 6. That 6 makes this our 4. That 6 also makes this our 5, 6. And that 6 makes this our 5. That 2 makes this our 6. That 5 and 6 make this our 3 and 2. This 6 makes this our 3. So then this is our 4 and 6. That 4 means this is our 6. So then 5, 4. That 5 makes this our 6, 5. So to finish out this box, we're missing 1 and 3. We've got a 3 there, so 1 and 3. There was today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here tomorrow for our next puzzle.